Hello everyone, and welcome to SIMmetry's tutorial series. This tutorial on comparison tools will provide you the steps to detect changes between layers or snapshots in the same location by allowing you to swipe between them, revealing each part of each layer. To begin this tutorial, let us go over where the swipe comparison tools are located. To access swipe comparison tools, on the ribbon menu, click on the Analysis tab. Then in the Comparison group, click the arrow under Swipe. There are three types of swipe comparisons: the swipe 3D mesh layers, the swipe imagery layers, and the swipe snapshots. To swipe a 3D mesh layer, click the swipe 3D mesh layer and the swipe 3D mesh layers controls are displayed. Next, select the mesh layers from the two drop-down lists and select the mesh model display style for each: texture, texture and wireframe, solid color and wireframe, or X-ray minus semi-transparent model. This will enable you to see through all model walls. If you want to refresh the layers, click Refresh and Detect. Then click Start. Slide the slider all the way to the right to completely show the first mesh layer and all the way to the left to completely show the second one. Click Auto Repeat to loop the slider between 0 and 100% to change the top layer clipping. Click Freeze at any point to stop the slider at a specific value. To swipe imagery layers, click Swipe Imagery Layers and the Swipe Imagery Layers controls are displayed. Make sure the layer that you want to swipe is the only one visible in the project. Otherwise, the tool will select the first visible layer. Then select the following controls: Mode Selection, Slider Control, and the Auto button. The Mode Selection control selects the slider control mode, allowing you to choose between 4 clipping modes. The Slider control defines the clipping or transparency level extent. And finally, the Auto button will automatically loop the slider between values 0 and 100% to change the layer clipping or transparency level. You can pan and zoom the 3D view to the area of interest. The tool automatically updates the imagery layer clipping according to the current view. And finally, to swipe snapshots, click Swipe Snapshots. A message is displayed informing you that the high-quality snapshot of the scene is being generated. When the snapshot generation is complete, the Swipe Snapshot dialog box is displayed. Create a modified scene by showing or hiding objects in the 3D window through the project tree and click Compare. When a snapshot is created, use the following controls: Mode Selection and Slider Control. We went over how to detect changes between layers and snapshots by using the comparison tool in our project. This concludes the tutorial on comparison tools. For more information, refer to Chapter 14, Analysis tab, in SIMmetry's User Manual. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.